G'day viewers, welcome back to another video. Today's probably going to be a short one. I've got this Atari, it's broken as you can see, missing a key. I've got no cords for it, no controllers or anything, and I don't know what to expect. I've never seen inside one of these, but since it's from the 80s era, I'm hoping it's going to be very good. I've been scrapping non-stop for the last 3 or 4 days as a result of the 3 street scrapping ventures I went on, plus what people bring me. I have been scrapping over 30 power cords, probably even more than 30, and I've still got amounts of modems and all kinds of things. There's some old phones as well. So I'll be doing those probably do a marathon, scrap the whole lot at one hit. Somebody gave me this, a whole brand new bag unopened, 10 metre long, 3-core cable. I've never seen anything like it. It doesn't come with plugs. You've got to put your own plugs on it. There's the end of it there. So I'll be scrapping that. Get some nice bright wire from that. I've got a whole pile of plugs, pins from the plugs that I've been stripping. And then yesterday, before I do this Atari, I was in a different area that I never go to, and I had family with me. I wasn't prepared for street scrapping, but we came across an area that had rubbish collections out the front, and we drove past a tower. So I turned around to get it. It's all complete. It's a very wealthy area, so people there throw out good stuff. And in the bottom of this was a whole pile of, this is like a pick of some sort, and there's files and all kinds of things. There's a triangular file. There's a whole stack of them all wedged down the corner here. Flat, rounded one side, flat the other file. They're hard to get out. A square file, another triangular file. So these are all going to come in handy. Another flat file. There's plenty of times where I wish I had a small file to get into things, even if it's just checking to see if something's copper or brass, and you've got to file the end off it. Anyway, it's got RAM, it's got some cards, so I don't think it's a very old computer, unfortunately. A bit of rubbish, but yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'll open that up later on and go through that, but for now I'm going to do this Atari. One of the screws are really rusted on it, so I don't know how this is going to go. I'm hoping for some really nice stuff out of this. Put this GoPro on my forehead so I'm hands-free, and we'll see what's in there. Okay, so it's got 2 sections to it. Hope you can see this alright. I don't know what this tape's for. I'll put one down. I'll do one first. I'll see what's under here. Doesn't look like there's going to be very much. And a smaller screwdriver for those. I don't know if anyone's ever done any of these before. If you've pulled apart some sort of console and gotten anything good, let me know. Tell us in the comments your experiences with pulling apart consoles. I've done Xboxes and PlayStations and things like that, but not anything this old. I think this is just going to be some kind of mylar. There's a screw under there. I don't know how I'm supposed to get under that. Oh, there we go. I wouldn't have thought you'd have to pull the keys off to do it. That's one bit of metal gone. And that one. Under here there should be tactical switches for when you push these in. They're big ones, so there might be big silver contacts in there. What's inside? I'll have to get that with the cutters. Alright, so take that off. A little sticky tape. Weird. It's just a whole pile of tactile switches by the looks of it. There's no mylar. I thought it would be just like a computer keyboard. Alright. I should have noticed by this one. I'll do that later. I'll see what's in here. Now, of course it has to be a flathead, doesn't it? I wonder why they need this big sheet of tin here for. It's unusual. It's weird. There's a flathead screw here and a Phillips at the end. Doesn't really make sense to me. One here as well. Here we go. I've wound out this flat screwdriver. It should have come all the way out. There we go. Wow, that looks alright. Lots of lots of ICs. We got, what have we got here? Nothing really there. There's a diode there. It's got gold in it. IC chips here. IC chips here. I don't know what these green things are. I've got a pile of them to test one day. Maybe they got silver or something. I don't know. Aluminium capacitor. That's no good. I'll take this off. Come on, how strong can you be? Now what's under this board? There's no pins, no gold pins, they're just steel. But look at all these IC chips, all removable ones. We've got another diode, transistor there, a diode there. More removable IC chips here and here. And we got some more transistors here, three-legged transistors. They've all got gold in them. And it looks like to be I can't think what that's called, but there could be silver in there or even gold. There's some crystal oscillators here, the nice tall ones. They're good, silver inside those. I've got a bit of a collection happening of those. A silver video one day. And that's about it. There might be some gold pins in there. I'll have to pull that apart somehow. Now, on here I can see gold fingers along there. How do we get this board out? There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Alright, there's a screw here. Gotcha. And what else is on here? Nothing. Rubbish. Just metal. Yep, that's all rubbish. So, there's some really nice gold fingers on here. Oh, you can feel it when you run an nail across it. That's a nice coating of gold. Both sides. It's a beauty. Let's see if I can get this out. I might have to cut it. The cutters. I want to know what's under there because that's where the games slot into. So there must be something in there. Yep. Let's see if they're gold or not. I need a bigger pair of cutters. Sometimes you can pry these up. The plastic comes off and the pins stay there. And sometimes they're brittle and break. It looks like it's working. Hopefully. There we go. It's coming slowly but surely getting there. Oh, Jeez, it's tight. There we go. Alright, I don't see a lot of gold on there. A very, very small coating though, so light I won't even bother with it. There's just a smidgenous tint of gold. That's a bit of a letdown. But I'm quite impressed with the amount of IC chips that are on here and these transistors. It's pretty good. Some more diodes there. So that's pretty good. Well, unfortunately there's nothing else to look at, so that's the end of this scrap. But some gold pins on this little jumper. It's nice. No, I wasn't expecting that. So maybe these wires have got like a jumper to them as well. Have a look. No. They're just soldered to the legs of the IC chip. But yeah, so I hope you liked what you see. If you ever wondered what's inside an Atari, now you can find out. I'm really impressed with these gold fingers. So these ones here, these gold pins, it's a letdown. I really expected more. I was hoping it'd be all gold because that's where the games go in and out. Alright guys, well I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.